Greetings, my friends. Happy Sunday to all of you. So friends, have you received your fourth stimulus check yet? I know many of you have been anxiously waiting for your fourth stimulus payment to arrive. So friends, in today's video, I will be going over an updated list of states and cities that have already approved stimulus relief legislation. These checks may range from $100 to $2,000. So please make sure, friends, that you watch until the end of this video to learn if you currently qualify for one more stimulus check. Also, I will be giving away 4 $75 Walmart gift cards every week. Please, friends, make sure you enter these giveaways simply by clicking and liking several of my videos, and then comment below the keyword of each video that you watch. The more videos that you leave a comment on, the greater your chances of winning these giveaways. Also, during the months of November and December, I will send $200 gift cards to several of you to say thank you so much, friends, for being part of this community.
And I know some of you are even seeing whether or not you qualify or whatever you have. Anyway, I won't go into it, but it's tough stuff, but we have an obligation. And the way the American Rescue Plan that I signed with Mike's help invested $17 billion in the VA, Veterans Affairs, mental health, and suicide prevention. As a lot of the veterans here know, more vets are dying on a daily basis, monthly basis from suicide than in war. More are dying from PSD than in war. It was averaging 21 a month. And guess what? You know, some of you are vets know you'd have a family member call and say, he got to come in, he needs help. And I said, we can't do it right away. Can you come in 3 days? That ends. That ends. They've got to be seen immediately, because it's literally life and death for an awful lot of folks. Folks, the reason we're here today is because of another law that I signed with Mike's help, and it matters for our economy and national security of our veterans. It's called the CHIPS and Science Act. It's a groundbreaking law that's going to build the future here in America. Here in America. I'm here at Viasat today because when it comes to supporting veterans and winning the economic competition of the 21st century, this is the outfit you want to be with.
Now, friends, residents of several states in the U.S. have begun to receive stimulus checks to help them better cope with the effects of inflation on the prices of certain products and services. The first checks and direct deposits from $3 billion in excess state revenue started going out to Massachusetts taxpayers earlier this month. But many people are worried because they haven't received their payments yet. About 3 million people will receive one of those refunds. But to qualify for a refund right now, you must have filed a 2021 state tax return on or before October 17th of this year. Anyone who has not yet filed their 2021 tax return but does so by September 15, 2023, will still be eligible to receive a refund. Those individuals will receive their refund automatically about 1 month after filing. These new relief payments is thanks to Chapter 62F, which requires the state to issue a credit to taxpayers if the total tax revenues exceeds an annual cap that's tied to wage and salary growth. The money is being returned to eligible taxpayers by the State Department of Revenue in proportion to their personal income tax liability in Massachusetts that was incurred in tax year 2021. The Baker administration said eligible taxpayers will receive a credit in the form of a refund that's approximately 14% of their Massachusetts tax year 2021 personal income tax liability. As an example, a person who made $50,000 last year and paid the state back $2,500 will receive about $350 back. But friends, credits are subject to offsets, including unpaid tax liability, unpaid child support, and certain other debts. Individuals eligible for a refund will receive it automatically as a check sent through the mail or by direct deposit. Approximately 500,000 refunds were expected to be distributed during the first week. About 1 million refunds were scheduled to be distributed weekly thereafter, until all eligible refunds have been dispersed. Refunds will not go out in a particular predictable order. So friends, if you have not received yours yet, please do not worry. Eligible taxpayers who have already filed their 2021 tax return and had a tax liability will automatically receive their refund by the end of December. Friends, the keyword for this video is Houston River. If you would like to enter the next Walmart gift card giveaway, please click and like several of my videos and then comment below this keyword, which is Houston River, and additional keywords of any video of mine that you watch. And do make sure, friends, that you're also subscribed to my channel. Some states have proposed different ways to provide more inflation relief to their residents. For example, Rhode Island signed legislation that provided households with children relief payments worth up to $750. There are also other states that are providing relief checks to homeowners and renters. California began sending out payments between $200 and $1,050 on October 7th, but they are continuing into January 2023. However, the state's franchise tax board expects 95% of payments to arrive in residents' hands by December 31st, 2022. The state of Colorado has also issued payments of $750 to single filers and $1,500 to joint filers. Those who received an extension to file their tax returns may not receive their payments until the end of January 2023. Most Idaho stimulus payments have already been sent, but those who filed their taxes late, the rebates will be processed throughout 2022 and into 2023. 2 stimulus payments were authorized in Idaho. The first was a hire of $75, or 12%, of a tax filer's liability before credits and other adjustments, while the second was a greater of $300 for single filers. The state of Maine has also authorized payments of $850 per person, or $1,700 per married couple, and began sending them out in June of this year. However, these payments will continue throughout this year as tax returns continue to be received. Well, my amazing and beautiful dearest friends, that is the end of my daily stimulus update video for this Sunday. Thank you, my dear friends, for joining me here every day when I post a new video. And I want you all to know that I greatly appreciate all of you watching the videos that I post. Friends, I'll be announcing a winner for the $200 giveaway in a video later today. So please make sure that you stay tuned for that video. Thank you, friends, and have a wonderful and blessed weekend.